Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put watermark on CapCut. Okay, the first thing that you have to do is you have to click new project. Okay, click new project, and then you can click stock videos and click the black screen right here and click add. And then write the text that you want to make it become watermark. For example, I'm going to write my name here. Okay. And then I want to zoom it. Alright. And then we can take the screenshot. Okay. And then after that, we can open our project that we want to put the watermark on it. Okay, open the project. And then we can click overlay button on the bottom of our screen. And we can click add overlay. And then we can put the screenshot. Okay, and click add. And then we can crop it by click the edit button. Okay, and click crop. Okay, you can crop it. Wait. Alright, and we can click the checklist button. Okay. And then we can click blend. Wait, okay, right here, click blend and choose filter. Alright, and we can adjust the opacity. Okay. And then click this checklist button. Alright. And then we can adjust the length according to the duration of the video. And then okay, the watermark is ready. Okay, that's the tutorial from me guys. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.